Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at Bitcoin dominance, looking at the state of the altcoin market, looking at the state of Bitcoin right now. And just like how Bitcoin is doing, I am also equivalently shitty. I'm sick. I don't feel very good. And but with that said, it's gonna take a look at the charts. So yeah, let's take a look at this. So Bitcoin dominance is right now at 39.99% dominance. With that said, we've been here two times before, right? One time in May, and then one time in September and August. With that said, last two times we were here, we bounced quite significantly, bouncing from 40% dominance all the way up to almost 48.95% dominance, and the other one we wicked up as high as 47.63. With that said, the question is are we going to bounce again? And a couple days ago when we were looking at altcoins, they were doing extremely well. I mean, Uniswap was bouncing. Um, what else was bouncing? VeChain was also kind of bouncing. Aave also had a crazy weekly candle about 2 weeks ago. And it kind of alluded to the idea that, oh, maybe we are going to be breaking down, meaning that we're going to be breaking the floor of 40% dominance and continue lower. However, with the recent downtrend of Bitcoin's down 12.25% for the week, breaking, ultimately breaking the 50-week moving average. And now we're kind of looking towards the 100-week moving average. Now, um, we know that when Bitcoin crashes like this and the altcoins go down with it, Bitcoin dominance tends to start trending up again. A great example of that was um, back here in August, where we saw not necessarily Bitcoin crashing, but Bitcoin rallying and outpacing the market. It also happens um, quite the opposite as well. If we look at, say, November 2018, yeah, November 2018, this area here, we rallied quite significantly. We rallied a couple percent, which resulted in Bitcoin dropping quite significantly from 6,000 to $3,000. Bitcoin dominance rose up. So we know it's possible that when Bitcoin does crash, Bitcoin dominance also shoots up. With that said, um, I think I think altcoins will have their heyday eventually. I'm still not entirely convinced that the market is over yet. If anything, this could just be a head and shoulders pattern, right? When we're coming in, and ultimately when we come back down to meet the bottom of the shoulder, we will potentially might find support at the 100-week moving average, and from there we can start rallying again, recovering. That is kind of the hopeful aspect of it. Beyond that, um, altcoins as a whole is not doing very well. Ethereum is also crashing down. It's down, 5.74% for the week. Um, altcoins in general are not doing very good. Um, except for Chainlink for some reason. So with that said, keep an eye on Bitcoin. If it crashes any further, expect Bitcoin dominance to start moving up again. We're still at the critical junction of 40% dominance. We have yet to see a significant move to either side yet, but I expect that's what we will see when it does. When we decide to make a move, it's going to be pretty distinctive, whether it's to the upside or the downside. With that said, I think that's all for today, you guys. Um, Thank you all for watching. Take care. Bye bye.